How many times have you heard of the word digital marketing? It must be many, especially when you are researching about marketing your business to get more clients or awareness. It is a big word in our current era, and in this video we talk about what is digital marketing, removing every misconception and misunderstanding about what it is and how it will help your business and brands grow. Digital marketing has disrupted all other forms of traditional marketing because it is customer-centric and not product or service-centric. So let me explain a little bit what that means. Customers have changed how they buy and purchase products or services. They have realized their value, and so they always run to the person who treats and values them as they value themselves. So take an example of you going to a restaurant. So if an attendant treats you extremely well, you will always have to go back to take a meal there in that restaurant. And if you get a bad experience, you will always tell stories about the bad experience, and I am sure you will never go back to that restaurant. This explains the reason why we need to be customer-centric and not product or service-centric. In fact, the customers help us develop the perfect product or service for them. Hope up to there we understand why digital marketing is different from traditional marketing. Traditional marketing is all about forcing customers to buy a product or service they don't know from a company they don't even trust, and that is where the problem is. As we continue, it will mean a lot to us if you subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you cannot miss any episode. You automatically be notified. So click on the red subscribe button and also on the bell icon for you to get notifications every time we release a new video. So to start with, let us first of all define what is digital marketing. Now, digital marketing is huge, and simply it is an umbrella work for all the business's online marketing activities. And what are these marketing activities that make up digital marketing, you ask? Let me answer you. Number one is web search. Now, this is the ability of your business or website or channel to appear in your search engines. Examples of search engines are Google, Bing, and there are many more that are coming up. Hopefully, they will be able to be up for the game. So the digital marketing category that helps us in ranking on our websites on search engines is called search engine marketing and optimization, and we'll discuss that later in the channel. Number two is social media. We all know social media, and maybe we are in some of these platforms. Come to think of them: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, new ones like TikTok, and many others. However, we might not know that to have success on social media, it needs some skills, knowledge, and strategy. Anyway, without worrying you so much about them, social media activities is part of digital marketing, and we will teach you how to use them to grow your business and brand online. If you can think of a business you follow with hundreds of thousands of followers on Instagram, that is the effect of being on social media and being strategic. Now, number three is emailing. Now, we all know about emails and how you get emails on your inboxes. However, email is a great tool in a successful digital marketing campaign and activities. So this entails growing an email list to nurture your leads and clients. I know there are some complicated terms like leads and nurturing, but we are going to come to that in this channel. Don't worry about them. Think about this. How many times have you gone to a website and clicked on a link to get something, either an ebook or a video or a free webinar, and you have to put down your name and email address before you download it? I know you have. That is exactly what email marketing does. After that, you get a series of emails from the same company trying to give you more information and details about the service you're looking for or about a problem you want to solve. So this free information does not come just for free. You have to give out your email address and your contact, and that's how that company grows their email list. Now, email is one of the strongest marketing tool in the current era because people are still personal about their emails, and so they will read emails more, and they read their emails every morning. So we talked about nurturing a few minutes earlier, and yes, it's a big word, and yes, we need to nurture our clients. They keep our doors open, but again, not to worry, we will learn about email marketing when it comes to that stage. But yes, it's part of digital marketing. Number 4 is our website. So having a blog, a website for portfolio or an e-commerce website is, I think, what is the core of digital marketing. This is where your online home is. It is a reference for all your online traffic. So imagine calling clients and you don't know where, or you don't have a place to take them. It's all pointless. This is why you need to have a website to lead your prospects from all other digital marketing activities to your central place, which is your website. So it is very important to have a website, and if not, at least a landing page where people can come and have some information about your business and about your product and service, so that they can know which part of your business can solve their pinpoint, challenge, problem, or an opportunity. This website should add value to the visitors about your business and how it can solve their pinpoint, their problems, or the opportunity they have. To give this information, you need content on your website. And this leads us on to our next point, which is number 5, content creation. We know this famous saying, and I think now it needs to be a song: content is king, which is so true. You can have social media channels, a blog, an email list, and be present on all other platforms. But if there is no content on them, it's a wind chase. It's blowing blows to the air. So content is what makes people follow and engage with your business. The issue of content is deep, and we will discuss it in depth, but your content is what makes people attracted to your business brand. It can be in form of videos, Instagram pictures, LinkedIn articles, website blogs, vertical stories for Instagram and TikTok or Snapchat. All this should be aimed to add value to your audience and convince them that you have the solution they need to their problems. So these activities lead us to the fundamental categories of digital marketing, or the foundational categories of digital marketing, and they are social media marketing. This entails being present on social media platforms, posting valuable content, and engaging with the people's interest in your content. There are several social media channels that we will discuss over time, but it's good to note that you don't have to be on all of them. You only are present on those that have your target audiences. Number 2 is email marketing. This is where we utilize the power of an email list. It involves creation of a system to collect emails, store them, manage contacts, and automate emails and information to them. It's good for us to not ignore the importance of an email list and to be a little bit confident. And we will learn about how to set an email list all from scratch until it becomes a part of your business marketing strategy. Number 3 is content marketing. We can't talk enough about content, but we will still mention it. Content marketing is important on a digital strategy. We lay down what content we are going to use, what level of quality, frequency of release, on which platforms are we posting this content on, and there are so many things we look at when it comes to content, but we will need to nail on how we take on our content marketing strategy. Number 4 is search engine marketing and optimization. We all would want to appear on search engines and get all the search traffic to our businesses. This will happen through search engine optimization for our websites and web pages. Search engine optimization is positioning your web page or your website to appear on search engines. Now, it grows with time. It's not a one-time thing, but then it takes work until you rank for the first page of search engine. That is my goal for your business. We can also pay search engines to make us appear on the first pages of the platforms. For example, we can use Google Ads that will help us rank on Google search. We will learn on how SEO, which is search engine optimization, and SEM, which is search engine marketing, will work for us to grow our businesses. Next is paid advertising. I know we hear the word pay and we get bored. We start thinking of a budget and how you have money constraints. It's okay. However, let me tell you why this is different. With the right person running ads for you, and the right targeting, you can run an ad for only $10. That is 1,000 shillings. And it will bring you almost 3,000 impressions. If you know what that means, meaning people who have seen is around 3,000. We have said that we can grow our digital activity organically. However, you will discover that a time comes when a certain campaign will require some acceleration because of maybe of time limits or something. And that is where ads will come in. In order to have a good ad, you will need to have an attractive visuals, for example, a video or a picture, and a good copy which will be convincing to the people watching it. And we will learn that when we start looking on how to run effective ad campaigns, whether it's on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube. Don't worry about that. But paid ads is an important part of digital marketing. It brings acceleration where organic reach cannot. Hope that was clear enough. But if you want to ask any questions, you can talk to us on Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter, or send us an email. All the links are in the description below. Also check out our podcast to listen as you drive or as you travel. Link also in the description below. If you have any further questions, please let us know. And until next time, always remember, if you love the clouds, love the dirt. Peace.